Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili sauce. First, select your favorite chili peppers, considering their heat level and flavor profile. You'll also need fresh garlic, vinegar, sugar, and salt to balance the flavors. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh for the best taste. We'll cover the simple steps to transform these ingredients into a delicious sauce you can enjoy. To begin, wash your chili peppers thoroughly and remove their stems. For less heat, you can remove some of the seeds and membranes. Next, combine the prepared chilies, garlic, vinegar, sugar, and salt in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth, ensuring there are no large chunks remaining. This creates the base for your delicious homemade chili sauce. Once blended, transfer your chili mixture to a saucepan. Bring it to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring regularly to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Allow the sauce to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it thickens to your preferred consistency. This simmering process also helps to meld all the flavors beautifully, creating a rich and complex sauce. After cooking, taste your chili sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want to add a little more salt or sugar to achieve your ideal flavor balance. Once cooled, pour the sauce into sterilized jars and seal them tightly. Store your homemade chili sauce in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several weeks. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.